All right, welcome back, everybody. Kyle Bazzi here, president at Benzinga.com. We're interviewing for the Benzinga Fintech Awards, looking for the most innovative companies, people, and products that are helping you make money. Up next, we have I Know First. We're talking about algorithms with CEO and co-founder Yaron Golgher. Yaron, what's up, man?
Very good. Hello, Kyle. Thanks for nominating us in the Benzinga Fintech Award.
Yeah, well, we're glad to have you guys on. Really cool stuff that you guys are building to help democratize a lot of the technology out there and algorithms. Let's get a little bit of background first. Tell us what your company is and how it started.
Yes. So I Know First is a financial firm that provides daily forecasts based on an advanced self-learning predictive algorithm. We developed a predictive algorithm based on artificial intelligence, machine learning, artificial neural networks, and genetic algorithms. The algorithm generates a daily prediction for more than 2,000 markets for the short and the long term. Stocks, commodities, ETF, interest rates, currencies, world indices. The algorithm was developed by Dr. Lipa Reutemann, a scientist with more than 35 years of experience. Dr. Reutemann was working for more than 20 years on this algorithm, and we started to offer it to the public 4 years ago when we understood that the algorithm is complete and ready for the real world. We are working with a loyal and growing client base, larger institutions, hedge funds, family offices, financial advisors, and also, of course, professional investors from all the world, around the world.
How long has it been? How long has I Know First been up and running?
Already 4 years, since 2011.
Right on. All right. So that's obviously the growth of a lot of the machine learning and technology that came into place with, HFTs and a lot of those firms. But what is yours doing, and what makes it so innovative in terms of taking that technology and bringing it to the people? Why is that so important?
The main features of the algorithm. First of all, the algorithm identifies the best market opportunities every day. Is generating prediction for 6 time frames. It tracks more than 2,000 markets. He's self-learning. He is adaptable. He is adapting to the situation, the new situation that in the market every day. You're always learning new patterns. And the most important thing for each forecast, there is a predictability indicator. This is the historical correlation between the prediction and the actual market movements. And now, the algorithm output got two important indicators. First is the signal. This is the predicted movement of the assets. The second one is as I mentioned, the predictability indicator. This is the historical correlation between the prediction and the actual market movement. Now, what we are offering basically to the customers, each customer can choose his own strategy. He can focus on regular stocks, small cap stocks, blue chip stocks, dividend stocks, aggressive stocks. I mean stock with high volatility, conservative stocks, stocks with low volatility, specific world indices, ETFs, specific geographic locations. He can focus on commodities, currencies. He can define his own strategy based on specific requirements such as liquidity or risk or market cap. The important thing here, till today, those kind of algorithms were used only by large institutions, companies like Goldman Sachs. We are giving an equal chance for the retail customers to play in the market with the big boys, the large institutional players. each retail customer can identify with the algorithm the best opportunities every day for the long and the short position, and he can play with the market with the tools with the advanced tools that the institutional guys are using.
All right, so let's take a step back real quick and let's look exactly at the algorithm. And without giving away your secret sauce, obviously, what did you guys develop that was so special? Obviously, democratizing it down to the retail level is extremely important. Another tool that they haven't had access to, previously. But how did you guys develop this that makes it so special, or what is it that makes it so special?
The basic principle behind that, the algorithm tracks the money movement between the 2,000 assets that it follow, and this is the main principles that stand behind the algorithm. It's important to say we working with retail customers. However, we're also working with institutionals that using the algorithm first to identify the best market solution, the best market opportunities every day, and also they're using, they building their unique customized algorithmic forecast based on different forecasts such as liquidity, volatility. In addition, institutional clients get using this algorithm in order to get algorithmic checkup for their portfolio. Each retail client can use the algorithm in order to get another opinion, another algorithmic checkup for the customer specific portfolio.
These predictions, Yaron, are they short-term, long-term, both?
Yeah, each daily forecast includes prediction for the short term and the long term. We have prediction for the next 3 days, the next 7 days, the next 14 days, the next month, the next 90 days, and the next year. It's interesting, Kyle, that the longer prediction have higher predictability than the shorter ones. So the algorithm can, for the long term, the algorithm can identify the market trend and to isolate the market trend from the noise in the market. So this is really interesting. This is the main difference between what we are doing and what the HFT guys are what the HFT guys are doing.
All right, Yaron, we always ask at the end to get a 30-second recap here. Give us a pitch. Why is I Know First so special and innovative, and what makes it so that you guys help people actually make money through the markets?
So as I mentioned, till today, those kind of algorithms were used only by large institutions, clients like Goldman Sachs. Now, with this algorithm, everyone have an equal chance to play in the market with the big boys and to get the best market opportunities for the short and the long term based on his specific strategy. If someone is investing in ETFs, he can continue to invest on ETF and to get the best ETFs every day. If someone is investing on dividend stock, he can get specific customized prediction for dividend stocks, and for based on this specific strategy, he can get the best opportunities every day for long position and short position too.
All right, Yaron, thanks so much for joining, man. Power to the people, it sounds like, over there at I Know First.
Okay, thank you very much, Kyle, and see you soon.
All right, I Know First, go check them out. Also go check them out on BenzingaFintechAwards.com. You could vote for them there. And also go see the 110 plus companies that are also on there trying to change the world, helping you make money. Again, this is Kyle Bazzi, president here at Benzinga.com. We'll see you next time.